Hey there, welcome to Where You Become Your Mindset Maven. Today, we're diving into the world of mindfulness meditation for beginners. If you're new here, consider subscribing for more valuable content like this. So let's get started with 8 tips to help you master mindfulness meditation. Remember, it's all about being present and embracing the present moment. Let's begin. Tip number 1, find a quiet space. First things first, find a quiet and comfortable space where you won't be disturbed. This could be a corner in your room or any place that brings you a sense of tranquility. Tip number 2, get comfortable. Make sure to sit in a comfortable position. You can sit cross-legged on a cushion, on a chair with your feet on the ground, or even lie down if you prefer. Tip number 3, focus on your breathe. Close your eyes gently and bring your attention to your breath. Follow the natural rhythm of your breath as it flows in and out. Let your breath be your anchor to the present moment. Tip number 4, acknowledge your thoughts. As you meditate, thoughts may arise. That's normal. Don't get frustrated. Instead, acknowledge the thoughts and gently guide your focus back to your breath. Tip number 5, embrace non-judgment. Practice non-judgment towards yourself and your thoughts. There's no right or wrong way to meditate. It's all about being kind to yourself during the process. Tip number 6, start short sessions. If you're new to meditation, start with shorter sessions, like 5 to 10 minutes. As you get comfortable, gradually increase the duration. Tip number 7, be consistent. Consistency is key. Try to meditate daily, even if it's for a short duration. It will help you build a strong foundation for your mindfulness practice. Tip number 8, practice gratitude. After your meditation session, take a moment to express gratitude for the time you dedicated to yourself and your well-being. There you have it, 8 tips to master mindfulness meditation for beginners. Remember, meditation is a journey, and it's all about progress, not perfection. Be patient with yourself and enjoy the process. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up and share it with others who might benefit from it. Don't forget to subscribe for more mindful content. Until next time, stay mindful and embrace the present moment. Take care.